What's going on, YouTube? Jordan Just DIY here, and I'm back to y'all with another video. I know it's been a long time. It's really been a long time, and ain't even really nothing to explain. I've been working, doing all types of stuff. Here at the Roadblock Gorilla Shop, shout out to the team. I'm up here at the shop. I've been working on the Box Chevy with the body work and just getting it together for this season as far as whatever I want to do for this year. Because I'm not going to get to it all this year. I'm not even going to lie. Getting to it as I get to it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna walk out to the shop. Matter of fact, I'm gonna just take y'all with me. Let's just go together. We gonna go out to the shop. I'm gonna show y'all what's going on. Let me fix my shirt out here looking like a poop boy. But let me show y'all. We out here in the shop now. Turn the camera around, show y'all the Box Chevy. Viewer disclaimer, it's a mess.
Here she is. Here she is, y'all. Broken down, well, not completely broken down, but
I got it all in shambles. Take y'all around. I got it where the lift is at the shop, so.
Radiator supporters over there, y'all can't really
see it. I'll walk over and show y'all, but it's over there. Front clip back there with the trunk. I got the hood on the side. Now, to all my body people and all my shop people, don't get mad at me. I know I shouldn't have it that close to the floor, but listen, man, this is a budget build. We're doing everything on the budget. I ain't paying $30 for them goddamn stools when I got a shitload of tires over there. I mean, for those stands, when I got a shitload of tires over there, and I ain't, you know what I mean, and I'm just not wasting my money. So, I got everything taken apart, lights and stuff. I got everything put up over there, as you see, like I'm out here organizing. And I was just like, you know what? Let me just make a video real quick. All right, start here. All right, so I got new ignition wires. I got a new OptiSpark, but when I got it, honestly, it came from China. It was made cheaply. Normally these things go for almost, you know what I mean? It could be $180 upwards of $300, depending on what brand you go with, which way, you know what I mean, which way you try to go. And I seen some on eBay for $40. I paid for it, and honestly, you know what I mean, you get what you pay for. I paid $40, I got a $40 part, and it broke literally right here and right here, which is the two main bolts that hold the OptiSpark together. Well, that hold it, you know what I mean, to the goddamn water pump housing. Timing housing. Our old one was working. It still worked. I just wanted to get some new shit, you know what I mean, for the new season and everything. And I was like, you know what, we're just gonna put that back on there until I can get a note, so I can, you know what I mean, source a better one at a good rate, at a good price of me, because I'm not spending a lot of money on it. I was gonna say, I love my car, I love the build, but like I said, this is a budget build, and I'm not gonna go out of my way unless I really absolutely have to. At the end of the day, I'm not racing this car. With this car, I'm not going to be pushing it to the limit. Yes, I do drive crazy, but I'm not going to be pushing this car to the limit. So I'm not worried about certain things and brand names and all that. I'm not worried about that. I'm worried about the quality and how long this shit's going to last, because I'm not going to be changing everything every goddamn year. I got to go pick up the gaskets for the water pump. I got the water pump sitting right here. I got a new harmonic balancer. Got that sitting right here. Big boy. It's a little chipped up or whatever, but it's all good. I'm thinking about, honestly, powder coating the front of it. I don't know. I've been going with a stealth look so far. I want everything that can be black. I want it black, honestly, because I think I want to do my engine bay black completely. Not looking for a certain color or anything like that. So I got that, but I got a new harmonic balancer, a new ignition coil, MSD ignition coil. I got that inside. I'll show y'all that. I'm working on the air. I really don't want to notch my frame. I'm not gonna lie, but if I have to, I will. I've been trying to find adapter kit that can put it up here in this area, or somebody that wants to make an adapter kit. So honestly, if anybody out there that knows of anyone that makes the LT1 AC relocation bracket, because I know it was one dude, but he stopped making it after a certain time. If anybody can source that for me, let me know. I'll pay for it. You know what I mean? I'll pay for the shipping and all that. And I was gonna say, so I can get that going, because I'm trying to get AC in it this year. I was gonna say that's probably one of those things I'll get to later on I mean, you know what I mean, in this car season, but that's not nothing that, you know what I mean, will require too much work. I'm gonna clean up all this wiring up here. So that's actually the job for this week that I'm trying to get done. So, back panel, that goes in between the window and the trunk. I gotta do the body work on this because this has dents. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it has dents going all the way across. So I gotta do the body work to that, get that shit. Anything else, it's pretty much easy peasy. Now I gotta do this because I know y'all can see it. I know y'all can see the waves in this. I can see the waves in it. I gotta redo this over before I can prime it. So I'm going to tackle this. I'm tackling that today. Probably gonna tackle the little back piece today too. And then got my clip back here. Back clip's missing. I got that sitting inside the shop. And I see, like I said, I got my little template here because I'm trying to figure out what to do for the speaker box. I brought the speakers. I brought 412s. I'm doing 412s in the back here. I'm probably going to do. I don't know if I'm probably going to put two 6.5s, two 6.5s, and then in the middle try to do like a blowout so that the air, you know what I mean, the bass can blow through. I think I'm about doing something like that connected to my box. That's just an idea. Might not go with it though, just to be honest. Over here, you see I got a couple little waves in here, but I haven't block sanded or anything. I haven't did anything. This is just covering up my my body work, all the body work that I had to do. I had to bang. Listen, this under here. What I'm starting to think is I had a top. I'm starting to think before I bought this car had a top in the beginning, and they took it off because under this I had nothing but body filler, which I had to redo because I mean there was just nothing I could do. So I put the body filler on there. It was metal work actually already done, so I just had to correct that, you know what I mean, tweak that a little bit, knock it in a little bit, and then I just had to fill it out. So as you can see, that's why this is primer and nothing else is primer. I'm actually going to try to show you, I'm trying to make a video for y'all so that I can show y'all, you know what I mean, the process of me painting and all that, because I'm going to be painting it myself too. I know it's going to be, you know what I mean, an extensive job, but I'm going to take care of it, and I'm going to do it myself. I'm going to take y'all with me along the way, and I'm going to definitely document that. What's going on with the interior right now? I got the seats out. The seats was actually at my house. I had the car towed up here so I can get everything I needed to do done. Back seat, I don't know whether or not I'm going to use this back seat combination or if I'm going to go back to my old one, which was using it from my, I had a 2007 Chevy Impala with the fold down seats. I don't know if I want to use that so that I'm able to get to the things I need to get to as far as musically, or if I need to get into the trunk or anything like that. I'm not sure if I want to do that or not. So honestly, with the interior, I'm not really doing too much to the interior. I want to make sure I'm mechanically sound and my body work is right before I do the interior. So that'll probably be the last thing I do. Yes, I am going to have music. Yes, I'm going to have the center console. I'm going to definitely have the center console mocked up, if not done and wrapped already. But that's just how I want to do it. And yes, I am going to be coming out the way I'm coming out. The car is going to be painted when I come out, but the interior is not going to be done. And honestly, I don't really care about how anyone else feels or anything like that. This is my car. Y'all not paying for nothing on this car. And I don't really care about y'all opinions. I'm going to come out how I want to come out. Everybody going to like it anyway, because when I didn't have none of this shit done, everybody still liked it. I still got compliments on it and all that. So just build your car how you want to build your car and forget what anybody else thinks, because I'm doing all this shit myself. I get a little bit of help, I get a little bit of advice from my homies, but other than that, I'm in here doing this shit by myself. Ain't nobody else doing it. So I ain't worried about everybody else's opinion. I'm gonna come out how I want to come out, and my car is still gonna be a banger. So I got the interior. I got plans for the interior, but like I said, I'm not working on the interior right now. So as of now, all I need to do is get all this scrambled away, because I got my harness and all that. The lights and stuff is sitting on top of the engine. I got the spark plugs and the wires ran. I'm going to do the ignition coil and go pick up some water pump gaskets next from AutoZone. Now I'm just trying to get the basis of it done so that I'm able to go out and enjoy my car. So next, all I have to do is get
get the sound system, get the speaker box. I'm gonna be making the speaker box, get that done. Get the brakes done. I want to get the brakes redone, front and back. I'm gonna keep the drums in the back. I got a disc in the front. I'll probably do a rear conversion later on down the line, as far as like maybe next car season, or even in the summertime. I might find that I want to source out that. It's a certain way that I'm trying to build this car. I'm trying to show people that you can have a great car without spending thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars. I'm not into this car that much. Yeah, I am doing all the work, and that's where I'm saving a lot of money. But at the same time, I'm not into this car a lot at all. I'll set another video up, you know what I mean, showing y'all, explaining to y'all how much I spent parts wise, and you know what I mean. I'll even add up my labor wise, because you know I work for myself and all that. So I'll even add up my labor rate and show y'all that how much I really spent in man hours and in time and materials and all that. But I'm not into this car a lot, and I want y'all to know that I enjoy this car so damn much. But I feel like a build shouldn't be defined by how much you spend in the car. It's about the quality of it. It's about the love you put in and the time spent, in my opinion. So that's why I spend a lot of time on my car. That's why I take my time, and that's why I do everything to my car. I don't trust no one to do nothing else. If I don't know it, I'm gonna learn it, and that's just how I want to go about it. So that's just my little rant. So here we go. Move this wall, my bad. This is my aluminum radiator. It's a 3-row aluminum radiator. 3 rows. I got this is my harmonic balancer box with my kit. This is from my spark plug shields. I had painted those black. Like I said, I'm trying to go for a stealth look. This is my ignition coil by MSD. I was trying to go for an MSD look, but I can't afford that MSD. Not gonna lie, I can't afford that MSD. This your OptiSpark. Can't afford that. That's like what's that? $385 or close to $600. I can't. It's just not time yet. It's not time. But I got that, and then I got the system. I don't know if y'all can read that, but 200 amps. Got a high output alternator. So got that there. I say honestly. So in a nutshell, I say I'm doing pretty good, honestly, as far as this build. I didn't really spend a lot on these parts at all. And they're all good quality. I talked to the people. Like I said, the one cheap part that I did buy, I ended up having to send back anyway, and that's what I get for trying to go cheap, I guess you could say. But I mean, sometimes you gotta spend the money, and sometimes you get away with it, and I'm okay with that. So in the meantime, like I said, when I get once I get the money for the new OptiSpark, depending on which brand I want to go with, I don't know if I want to go with Excel or MSD, because those are the 2 brands that I'm honestly going to go with. I'm just not sure which one I want to do. And I wanted to make a video with y'all to show y'all that I'm back, that I'm here. I am working, even though I haven't made videos. And the next couple of videos is honestly going to be me doing work to it and showing y'all how to do some things, put some things together. We'll go ahead and make some videos like that, so it doesn't feel like it's just a vlog. I'll see y'all next video. I'm glad y'all y'all sticking it out. Continue to like, subscribe, comment. I'm seeing comments out there. My channel is actually growing, and I'm appreciative of that. And I appreciate y'all, all my Chevy community, Box Chevy community, car clubs, car communities, anybody that just likes the car, anybody that likes to prepare videos. I'm grateful for y'all. Let's continue to grow together and get these subscribers up. Subscribers go up, so does our page, so does our resources and things like that. So let's just make it happen. Jordan Just DIY. I'm out.